Report on the Chengdu J-36 second flight. Event overview. Date, February 18, 2025. Time, 1:09:31 Universal Time Coordinated. Location, Chengdu, Sichuan, China. On February 18, 2025, the Chengdu J-36 China's cutting-edge sixth-generation fighter aircraft successfully conducted its second flight test. This event marked another significant milestone in the ongoing development of advanced military aviation technology in China following the aircraft's first public flight on December 26, 2024. Background of the Chengdu J-36. The Chengdu J-36, developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC), is notable for its innovative trijet and tailless design along with a distinctive double delta wing configuration. The aircraft is expected to enhance China's aerial combat capabilities with its advanced stealth features, high-speed performance and versatility in various combat roles including multirole, interceptor and bomber functions. Development timeline. 2019, initiation of pre-research on a sixth-generation fighter led by Dr. Wang Haifeng, with a target completion date set for 2035. 2021, Chinese state media confirmed the ongoing development of a next-generation fighter jet. October 2021, a tailless fighter design was spotted at CAC facilities, generating speculation regarding its capabilities. February 2023, AVIC released design concepts featuring diamond-shaped wings and a tailless structure. December 26, 2024, the J-36 prototype made its first public flight, coinciding with Mao Zedong's birthday, with the Chengdu J-20S acting as a chase aircraft. Details of the second flight. The February 18 flight was closely monitored by military analysts and defense experts as it provided a glimpse into the J-36's performance and capabilities. The aircraft was observed executing a series of maneuvers, which included high-speed passes and steep climbs. This flight not only demonstrated the aircraft's flight characteristics but also tested its advanced avionics and control systems. Flight objectives. 1. Performance validation, assessment of flight stability and responsiveness during various maneuvers. 2. System testing, evaluation of onboard systems including navigation weaponry and communication systems. 3. Stealth demonstration, verification of the aircraft's stealth features during flight operations. Technical specifications. The Chengdu J-36 is characterized by its length, estimated between 20 to 26 meters, 66 to 85 feet. Wingspan, approximately 20 meters, 66 feet. Maximum takeoff weight, estimated at 45,000 to 54,000 kilograms, 100,000 to 120,000 pounds. Engine configuration, trijet arrangement with speculations surrounding the use of modified WS-10 or WS-15 engines. Strategic implications. The successful second flight of the J-36 has significant implications for global military dynamics, particularly concerning U.S. China relations. Analysts believe that the J-36 could achieve operational capability before American sixth-generation fighter programs, such as the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) project. U.S. military officials have acknowledged the need to accelerate advancements in their own programs in light of China's rapid progress in military aviation. U.S. response. Following the flight, U.S. Secretary of the Air Force Frank Kendall emphasized that while developments in Chinese aviation are noteworthy, they would not fundamentally alter U.S. strategies. He reiterated the importance of maintaining technological superiority and continuing investments in the NGAD program. Conclusion. The Chengdu J-36's second flight represents a pivotal step in China's pursuit of advanced military aviation capabilities. With its innovative design and strategic potential, the J-36 is poised to enhance China's aerial combat effectiveness and reshape the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. As testing continues, the international community will be closely observing the J-36's development and its implications for global military dynamics. The development of China's Chengdu J-36 fighter aircraft, classified as a sixth-generation fighter, brings several counterintuitive elements to light. Below are some key insights that challenge conventional expectations regarding military aircraft development and technological advancements. 1. Rapid development timeline. Traditional military aircraft programs are often characterized by lengthy development timelines, typically spanning decades. However, the J-36's development began in 2019 with an ambitious target for operational capability by 2035. The rapid timeline, is evidenced by the prototype's first flight in December 2024, suggests a shift in how quickly nations can bring advanced military technology to fruition. This contrasts with past programs where delays and budget overruns were the norm. 2. Trijet design implementation. The J-36 employs a trijet configuration, which is relatively rare in modern fighter aircraft. While conventional wisdom tends to favor twin-engine designs for stealth and performance, the trijet design may offer unique advantages in terms of redundancy and thrust distribution. This choice reflects a potential paradigm shift in fighter design philosophy, focusing on the specific advantages that a trijet configuration can provide, particularly in stealth and maneuverability. 3. Tailless configuration and stealth. The J-36 features a tailless design, which is counterintuitive, as many fighter jets traditionally utilize vertical stabilizers for stability and control. The decision to forego a tail in favor of a tailless flying wing design may enhance stealth capabilities while also improving aerodynamic efficiency. This design choice challenges the assumption that stability must come at the cost of stealth and maneuverability. For multirole capability speculation, analysts speculate that the J-36 could serve multiple roles, including multirole fighter interceptor or bomber. This multifunctionality is increasingly common in modern aircraft design, but the broad range of potential roles for the J-36 might indicate a new direction for military aviation, where aircraft are designed from the outset to perform diverse missions rather than specializing in a single role. 5. U.S. military response. The U.S. military's strategic response to the J-36 indicates a nuanced understanding of the global defense landscape. U.S. Secretary of the Air Force Frank Kendall commented that developments in Chinese aviation would not significantly alter U.S. strategies, yet he acknowledged the J-36 could achieve initial operational capability before American sixth-generation programs. This reflects a counterintuitive approach wherein the U.S. recognizes the potential for emerging technologies from adversaries to challenge established supremacy while simultaneously maintaining confidence in its capabilities. 6. Technological speculation versus reality. The J-36's specifications and capabilities remain largely speculative, leading to varying interpretations of its role and effectiveness. The lack of definitive information emphasizes the growing trend of ambiguity in military technology, where nations may choose to withhold critical details to maintain a strategic edge. This contrasts with the past, where more technical specifications were often publicly available during development phases. 7. Cultural significance of flight timing. The timing of the J-36's first flight on December 26, 2024 coincides with Mao Zedong's birthday, suggesting that the flight was not only a technological milestone but also a politically charged event meant to bolster national pride. This reflects a counterintuitive intersection of military development with cultural and historical narratives, where technological achievements are used to reinforce national identity and legacy. 8. Potential for command and control capabilities. Some analysts propose that the J-36 could function as a command and control hub for unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). This suggests a shift in how air combat might be conducted in the future, where manned fighters play a central role in orchestrating drone swarms rather than engaging directly in combat. This challenges the traditional view of fighter jets as solely combat platforms and introduces the concept of networked warfare. In conclusion, the Chengdu J-36 fighter aircraft exemplifies several counterintuitive elements in military aviation development and strategic thinking. These insights reflect a broader trend of innovation, adaptability, and changing paradigms in the defense sector, emphasizing the dynamic nature of military technology and strategy in the 21st century. The Chengdu J-36 represents a significant leap in China's military aviation capabilities, particularly in the context of sixth-generation fighter development. While many reports focus on its technical specifications, design, and the implications for international military dynamics, some critical aspects are often overlooked that have substantial significance. 1. Historical context and symbolism of the flight. The first public flight of the J-36 on December 26, 2024, coinciding with Mao Zedong's birthday, is more than just a scheduling coincidence. It carries deep cultural and political symbolism. This date is significant in China, often celebrated for its connection to the founding principles of the People's Republic of China. By choosing this date for a milestone event in military aviation, the Chinese government underscores a narrative of national pride and technological advancement. This connection may foster greater public support for military development and enhance nationalistic sentiments, which the government can leverage for political purposes. 2. Potential multirole capabilities. While the J-36 is primarily discussed as a sixth-generation fighter, its potential to serve multiple roles, including as an interceptor bomber and command and control hub, is often understated. The aircraft's design indicates a focus on versatility, which is crucial for modern warfare where roles can rapidly shift. This adaptability could allow the J-36 to effectively integrate with unmanned systems and other platforms, facilitating complex operations in contested environments. The implications of this multi-role capability extend beyond mere air superiority. They suggest a strategic shift towards a more integrated and flexible approach to military operations. 3. Stealth and sensor technology. The J-36's design emphasizes all-aspect stealth and advanced sensor capabilities, often overshadowed by discussions of its aerodynamics and engine configuration. The aircraft's potential to achieve reduced radar cross-section and enhanced situational awareness through advanced sensors could significantly alter aerial combat dynamics. This capability not only challenges current Western air dominance but also indicates China's commitment to developing a holistic approach to aerial warfare that combines stealth, speed, and information superiority. 4. Investment in research and development. The timeline of the J-36's development highlights a sustained investment in research and development dating back several years. This long-term vision contrasts with the often reactive approach observed in other military programs. The strategic implications of this investment suggest that China is not merely trying to catch up with current technologies but is also positioning itself to lead in future developments in military aviation. Such foresight can be pivotal in maintaining a competitive edge as military technologies evolve. 5. Global military dynamics and strategic competition. The emergence of the J-36 is not just a matter of technological advancement but also a significant factor in global military dynamics. The U.S. military's acknowledgement of the J-36's potential to outpace American sixth-generation programs indicates a shift in the balance of power in aerial combat capabilities. However, the nuanced discussions surrounding this competition often overlook the broader implications of such advancements. For instance, the J-36 may impact not only U.S. China relations but also influence the defense strategies of U.S. allies in the Asia-Pacific region. Nations may feel compelled to enhance their own military capabilities in response, potentially leading to an arms race in the region. 6. Public perception and information control. The Chinese government's control over the information surrounding the J-36's development and testing reflects a broader strategy of information management. The decision not to officially confirm various details about the aircraft while allowing for public speculation serves a dual purpose. It not only engages domestic audiences in national pride but also strategically positions China in the international arena as a formidable military power. This tactic can enhance China's bargaining position in geopolitical negotiations by projecting strength while simultaneously masking vulnerabilities in its military capabilities. 7. Environmental and ethical considerations. The discussions surrounding advanced military aircraft like the J-36 rarely touch upon the environmental and ethical implications of such developments. The production and deployment of advanced military technology contribute to environmental degradation through resource extraction and waste. Furthermore, the ethical considerations of increased military capabilities in the context of international relations, particularly in regions with existing tensions, raise questions about the long-term sustainability of such advancements. Ignoring these factors can lead to a narrow view of military progress that does not account for its broader societal impacts. 8. The role of unmanned systems. The potential integration of the J-36 with unmanned systems is a critical aspect that is often overlooked. The development of advanced autonomous drones and their coordination with manned aircraft represents a paradigm shift in military strategy. The J-36's ability to function as a command and control platform for unmanned vehicles could redefine air combat, enabling coordinated strikes and reconnaissance missions that capitalize on the strengths of both manned and unmanned systems. This capability not only enhances operational flexibility but also presents new challenges in terms of command and control cyber warfare and ethical considerations in combat. Conclusion. The Chengdu J-36 is more than just a new aircraft in China's arsenal, it embodies a shift in military strategy, technological advancement, and geopolitical dynamics. By examining the nuances and broader implications of its development, we gain a deeper understanding of its significance in the context of modern warfare and international relations. The J-36 serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of technology, culture, and global power structures in the contemporary world. 1. Design innovations and technical specifications. The Chengdu J-36 features a trijet tailless design with a double delta wing configuration emphasizing all aspects: stealth, high-speed, long-range, and high payload capacity. Its design includes multiple ventral weapons bays and is equipped with advanced sensors and propulsion technologies, potentially allowing it to function as a multirole fighter, interceptor, or bomber. The aircraft's dimensions, estimated at 20 to 26 meters in length and a wingspan of around 20 meters, highlight its substantial size and capabilities. The anticipated ability to carry advanced munitions and integrate with unmanned systems indicates a leap in China's military aviation technology. 2. Strategic implications in global military dynamics. The development of the J-36 has significant implications for global military dynamics, particularly in the context of U.S China relations. The aircraft's capabilities pose a potential challenge to U.S. air superiority and may compel the U.S. Air Force to accelerate its own next-generation air dominance (NGAD) program. U.S. military leaders have expressed concerns about the J-36 potentially achieving operational capability before American counterparts, signaling a shift in the balance of aerial combat technology. This underscores the ongoing arms race in advanced military aviation and the strategic importance of maintaining technological superiority. 3. Development timeline and milestones. The timeline of the J-36's development from its initial research phase announced by Dr. Wang Haifeng in 2019 to its first public flight on December 26, 2024 marks critical milestones in China's military aviation program. This timeline reflects a structured approach to advancing military technology, and the successful flight tests signify China's commitment to developing cutting-edge military capabilities by 2035 as outlined in their strategic objectives. The coordination of significant events such as the inaugural flight coinciding with Mao Zedong's birthday highlights the symbolic significance of the J-36's development within China's military narrative. For comparison with global fighter programs, analysts have noted that while the J-36 showcases advanced design features akin to those being pursued in the U.S. NGAD program, differences in operational philosophy and technological integration exist. The J-36's potential as a command and control hub for unmanned systems contrasts with the U.S. emphasis on manned platforms. Additionally, the varying definitions of sixth-generation fighter capabilities across nations further complicate comparisons. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for defense analysts and policymakers as they assess the evolving landscape of military aviation technology and its implications for global security. 1. F-22 Raptor development. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force. Its design process began in the 1980s with the aim of creating an air dominance fighter that could outperform any potential adversary. The F-22 first flew on September 7, 1997 and was officially introduced into service in 2005. Its development was characterized by significant advancements in stealth technology, supercruise capabilities, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners, and advanced avionics. The F-22's capabilities have made it a critical component of U.S. military airpower, and its development was closely monitored by other nations, particularly Russia and China, which have since accelerated their own fighter programs in response. 2. Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine canard delta-wing multirole fighter designed and manufactured by a consortium of European aerospace companies including Airbus BAE Systems and Leonardo. Its development began in the 1980s, driven by the need for a modern air superiority fighter to replace older aircraft within European air forces. The Typhoon's first flight occurred on March 27, 1994, and it entered service in 2003. The aircraft features advanced avionics, a highly agile airframe, and the ability to perform a wide range of missions, including air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. The Typhoon program showcased significant collaboration across European nations and has influenced the development of subsequent European fighter aircraft. 3. Sukhoi Su-57. The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's first stealth multirole fifth-generation fighter aircraft developed for the Russian Air Force. The program began in the early 2000s to create a next-generation fighter that could compete with the U.S. F-22 and F-35. The Su-57 made its maiden flight on January 29, 2010, and features a combination of stealth supercruise capabilities and advanced avionics systems. The aircraft is designed for a range of roles including air superiority and ground attack missions. Its development has been marked by challenges including budget constraints and technological hurdles, but the Su-57 is seen as a critical element of Russia's military modernization efforts and has drawn international interest. The Chengdu J-36, China's emerging sixth-generation fighter jet, is poised to significantly alter the dynamics of global military aviation. With its first flight on December 26, 2024, the J-36 showcases advanced features such as a trijet tailless design and a blended double delta wing configuration. This technological leap not only enhances its aerodynamic efficiency but also positions it as a formidable contender against its American counterparts, particularly in the race for air superiority. Predictions for the future of the J-36 and global military aviation. 1. Operational capability by 2030. Given the current pace of development, the J-36 is likely to achieve its initial operational capability (IOC) by 2030. This timeline aligns with China's ambition to modernize its military forces and establish a leading edge in aerial combat capabilities. 2. Technological advancements. The J-36 is expected to incorporate cutting-edge technologies including advanced avionics, artificial intelligence, and enhanced stealth features. These advancements will facilitate improved situational awareness and target acquisition, allowing the J-36 to operate effectively in contested environments. 3. Role as a multi-role fighter. Analysts predict that the J-36 will fulfill multiple roles, including that of a multi-role fighter and a command and control hub for unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). This versatility will enhance its operational flexibility, making it a crucial asset for the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAAF). For impact on U.S. military strategy, the development of the J-36 is likely to influence U.S. military strategy, particularly concerning the Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program. The U.S. may accelerate its own sixth-generation fighter development in response to the J-36's capabilities to maintain its strategic advantage. 5. Export potential. The J-36 may also emerge as a viable export option for allied nations looking to modernize their air forces. Its advanced technology and competitive pricing could attract interest from countries seeking to bolster their aerial capabilities without relying solely on Western military hardware. 6. Increased geopolitical tensions. As China continues to develop advanced military assets like the J-36, geopolitical tensions in the Asia-Pacific region are likely to escalate. Neighboring countries may feel compelled to enhance their own military capabilities in response, leading to an arms race. 7. Integration with other platforms. The J-36 is expected to integrate seamlessly with existing Chinese platforms, such as the Chengdu J-20 and various UAVs. This integrated approach will enhance the effectiveness of joint operations, allowing for coordinated strikes and improved battlefield management. 8. Cyber and electronic warfare capabilities. Future iterations of the J-36 may incorporate enhanced cyber and electronic warfare capabilities, enabling it to disrupt enemy communications and radar systems while maintaining its own operational integrity. 9. Sustainability and future-proofing. As military technologies evolve, the J-36 may be designed with future upgrades in mind, allowing it to adapt to emerging threats and technological advancements over its operational lifespan. 10. Influence on global military standards. The development of the J-36 could set new standards in military aviation design, prompting other nations to rethink their approach to fighter aircraft development. This shift could lead to a broader re-evaluation of what constitutes a sixth-generation fighter. Conclusion. The Chengdu J-36 represents a pivotal moment in military aviation, and its successful development and deployment will have far-reaching implications. As China continues to advance its military capabilities, the J-36 will not only serve as a symbol of national pride but also as a strategic tool that reshapes the balance of power in the skies. The coming years will be critical as nations around the world respond to this shift, ultimately determining the future landscape of aerial combat.